Minia.
Osrepa.
As a bit of a miss.
Esrenamere. That was it. That was no. What's wrong with you? Okay, it's a competition. Now, me were results. Agnes had 40%, Bafo had 30%, Apostle Abnanya 50%, Nasa Bermania 75%, Daniel Kwabena something, Onunya 60%, Ochre, Aguna Inkum guy, no, Onusunya 80%, Kweku Hassan, and so in 60, Jenny Munya 70. Oh my goodness. Not just say our winner is Archery from Aguna Inkum. Yes, Inkum right. Hey, Archery. Hey, oh, good to see yeah, Inkum right here. Na Archery. Bacho Osaka o airtime no.
That Jerry rare. That's it. Go and be in radio city that day. And then the first time I made a chedibo. Yeah,
Frau saying.
Actually, I'm going to come.
And to Archery so many years that I want a man, me ye working up in a time now, Frat don't have from our best. And then the first time now, I didn't want to say, Nami Dauna, Miss Umi, everybody, some able program night, you don't say, me better radio, no, me down, I miss say, over Casse will be your best, no. Then my mean friend of you in a, me, I can't any credit. Actually, Yanko for not doing you, Mamma, Miss Any Yanedim. Actually, and I'm afraid, yes, I am one that said me, I said that, and then the first summer. I don't believe this. Hey, because listen, me, I've been here for over 15 years, 16 curriculum. And time now for Adom FM. And our friend radios are unwinishi or radios. No question, me question, and I know that's an estimate boasting it. Just me Debbie. Oh, Wama, my week. I am it. Just say, hey, me there, she said, billions of CBs. Just say, me fair, Emma Condo, me. Hey. Na Archery credits no and airtime nearby and what but you say 200 na me kind of paper. Oh, Jerry, my Polina, my Abba, Adom. Just say. I dare me say me for media was a phobia and come in between just wow. Last be now with your phones. Come me Japan percent come me bina. Na ina we na yadia ubet me. Yes sir. Eti na dia na chese basri de na chese lie ubet me asri. Gajeri I am me just over ka say nde Benya billions of just say I am too much. Wow. There's many Japan ma say I mean for all these years because me Archery Aguna Kumenye na say we she crowd radio. Oh, I'm so glad say na dey own wait me win. Oh, me say me dey bebre. Ya mechanics Adom FM. Enya mi sha wene Jerry Justice una umpenu funa ye Ofie Kwanso fu ina nyami ensha mu nyinara. Eye enumdwe bi na mo ye mo nda de nipa eye nokre menya eye credit no ani ntimi do bibiara si nyami enshi obi biara e yankopon nadom dadulu makan o se yadom nadom akọ wi anu abo amame nyami Archery that's it because we right wow Kwame for all these years
Archery what credit was up na do mara kwa
wow that's nice Ofie radio enye ne
because the competition here na e wa bonten de yankan ho
you 2%
council radio can come on crowd.
Person council.
Me stress amade achi. Yes, stress amade achi.
Kubi. Ye my mentor kasana yenko anim.
Fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters, this is Hassan Ayariga. Keep listening Ayarigated Sports. It's real sports. Best for you, good for you.
best for you, good for you. And no, and I say no. It's Yasha say dear. Just said the Omuno. It's your Tremuan say. Penny for Becassa. Now, Penny for Cassa repair. Your Buquem. Your mental Cassa Reno. Now, Roberton Swasu Muatuaso.
Well. Please, Ayarigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Ayarigated Sports. Papa. So listen to Ayarigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Okay,
my name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi Chum.
Order for me in this Sisi Chum. That they be amity Ayarigated Sports. There's no day minty Ayarigated because minty manage na me stress.
Nice one. Right, man.
Yeah. Boy. You're listening to Ayarigated Sports. Minimals, Ayarigated Sotos, Ayarigated Sports. Achisa.
I don't know. Nah, I must say you asked the message about say, about there, you laugh like a killer. And then Jerry, you laugh like a blue man. Serious killer, Kwame. Now, I want to say,
me ampa me danya ne nyare ho aye ma no ho because akra so folk ama me ra ho e makoma mu
oh na say dey see dey da bi tete me kwame me dey see no dey see no niema ba ku mienu miensa bi na mpesa me ka wasam yes anka sa match we dey anka dey see ya na see because dey mo be ya na mayi penalties dey bibia teams now so then how to use him
akoye krasi
so you ni smoke so how dey also krasi
kwaku bitie
oh anka dey see dey be see na see penalties dey see na see and we kran she dan yen nimgu ase sa I mean on 5-4 there it me how be brisa me the way na me pese me srew no ba me hwe se de na nya ibia sa bia
no me so na wo ho
me hu se ho
ansa me kra re ho a na nyare ho aye ma no
na be ho
enro akwaku game no house of football ni nyina
yeah
Obio mama akwaba kura.
Oguma gra akwaba.
Hey, na dey say
Kwabi akwaba
nyama na me ma.
Kwabi
host no ma kwaba no.
Se ugusu ka se timi ma.
Akwaba no ma
adbro.
We say akwaba.
Mi wa mpani fo so na kai ye se ekwamu nyoya ye ntinsi timpom.
Uti gwamza akwa. Okay. It's all the time.
Kwaku sama nti ase akwaba no. Ene kwame obode na ma kwaba no.
Ene kwame so bodua na me ma na kwaba.
Bodua ko ma twa to atwe. Bodua mi so matu. Na Kwabi on ka sem ni nyina.
Akwaba.
Bra mejo so.
Na you hear what call there.
The master bro man no you are said do.
You are said
and na be gina commentary position.
Nyabotre obeba so.
Na
me won niam mienu. Oh that be to boase. Me won niam mienu that I want us to address. Two issues. First one, me was it Friday? No, I think it was Saturday. And Obi someone actually tweeted at me and or say men check is adi we na yenka ho asem na kotokofo na ya wada ma omo pour libation it means a muhu video na omo gunsa eno nipa kuno gunsa na o ka say o ka hwe na no say o ma has players no omo ni sun yo said beya match no omu so enti mi kra no na my madre said ne ye ba no ba be kasa na mo so den e na ball kakra kobo ni e ho ensa mo kogu ama mo opponent eni so abirim no said yo ohunu ball no so
akwa de ohunu hwe
afi de ye wie na has player ba kun kobutu a bansirifu apɛ da na ase edi gina park so a wo de bobo e de na mo mienu mu ye has ne kotoko Aden
kwa busa asem
na ade kumfam we da boy sisi we kura betimi distract wa ma ball no kura wutimi mo
sa picture we die
kwaku
na mienum no for once. Which me aka say when ye ade bi ehu say
enti e da den no me nim enti we e da den
Obekai a kanichi ba
oh mesi we ye den aden
ye dey training players no dey at the ball e be crowd the ball competitive games I'm telling you for once and I'm
enti me say e den aden
enya bansere
ni dey e den
eye bibi ti say me fa me watch
anti watch ye bo we bi na
just oh on say watch here that watch here bo me on say it me check me heartbeat it me check me BP in fact it me na ma bebere
I know susu kana me wo bi enya no bi na bobo ya ase yo
obi wo ho
the man
sportsmen no wo mo de bo omumu na ase abedru obo hase Ochase na sabedru abeda dia ase o chest
on the field of play ogusu bobo ni na ya wo dey check it in
they use it
eti omu obe page no hwe how it is reading on the field
and say on ayo e man ye o bibi hu enye say be different me hu we no me say dey nim
anafa dey no why do hu kan dey ni cheche mu ni
say nyo no kwa na ebi da na ho o say kotoko player kwa mbonsu ono so the same one and so ba nkofo atwa parase nkofo ma has de na ehu
na say ehu se de akwa ekutu ade yi ebo na ya se ba hui e na che se nyehu
kwaku
emaninyo
kwa ma san hwa ade ni bi na me hwa ade
kwaku bansere kram pono
eti so now no what are they telling us about this thing
there be omo ya story ni nyina they got it wrong they don't know omo ni madeko omo so omo musa
eti wo kwa me na wo has ni no ade we da den de bonus ri
kwaku sade we ni match anke yanhwe
wo de na me sinti e de na say ayi bibia obi anim say we say me de obom say ade we ye da den
kwaku me say match na ya lose no we betimi anka mo ma yenhwe so ni yare ho na sense mo de sa talisman ane ho aban ba ka ho kwaku akade na da kwara so we kro boy we kro mfiri kro mu ha o mfiri ka e bi ko ba bi o wono krampo no
o mfiri kro be
Ofrifa.
Ozo mfiri kro be
Ofrifa.
Ozo mfiri kro mu ha
Ofri.
Ozo mfiri na so was as ma o be so che so onye ga na ni ana
da bi we ga na ni but dem be say
e be mfiri kro mu ana na o kan ni
prayer be asem prayer be no wa
fama me
e say ka cho prayer be no wa butu on
me ade fama fama me fa we ma
prayer be no wa butu
which means one ga za no o mo akire e na wo kan wa ni
hia oh de dem asene no e ho hia
ehun hia ga etwa to
se obi omanya story bi anye e na omo twotwo sansem kwaku
story ne de ehun enye
fa so bi ani sade we kwaku de me ka ko sini se
omo di katakata nkugo no so be nkugo no wa ye be kan wanse
ade ne yanka wanse kwaku mi kura po mi si kotoko nwum ne tun de se mi nua na sem for je oni ha o ha ka first yo be ni se obebo kotoko nwum anka mi timi si no kwa etan se wodi nkunim
se ja ye ma me akwaba kura ho pro akwaba no ye ma me akwaba
na sem for masa to wase na sem for je ba bia wo bia no mi tu check se de ma anyu we mi dedicate ya ma mi nua ma ho tontam ye se wo se mu bia mi de nyu we wuram sa yare anyu we dia sa konfo no mu ni
asante kotokose
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
No betting it got to go more. Take us a fabua. No betting it go mapping mapping my banana. No too for your mama. You go. Must say that the family your mom. Feeling deep. A Ryan Modena. Can born in the spine. Your mama you go. And you are fancy. Dr. Kwamichi. Why you be a my yet to most why I saw the fabu. No betting it got to go more. No betting it.
Okay, yanko anymore.
Kwaku se na me ka no. Dedicate sa win we dia ma. Na sa appo for jin. In fact, match you kotoko for ya se omo na nura ani gya kotokofo agye na kra ha ani kumase no sa match we no kiyama mo a ka de be ye mo
deserved one
ko de be ka oti ase match me tie kra mo se mo ba mo hu se ne win de penalties win kra mo di win ye no and sika ko no was sazonto no was sakogon so ahiri no awuro
na say has ne kotoko obi obe defeat no nyonko bia no celebrate because Charlie said the tie we den a has ne win here and has be jubilate than said the kotoko
adeba kwa sika kra kan ye e won jubilation na chi a ama atoma no was say unse before the season no Kim Grant be ka say kotoko for year unnecessary signing o ka ama ye be bo achiri kra wo Ayarigated also to top players any
to talk African go see who to top na me na bo na match when you win no it doesn't justify players
no to talk here na nemfa so ni so na what me dia be players and for so mo so no enu na any depa kwaku ma yembo achire sige ba ko na da fa no fa come
Sige Casabian Commande.
The unstrategic players that we signed, claimed by my colleague in King Grant. Initially, when we started our campaign to the Confederation Cup, he made that comment, and I thought it was not good enough for him to make that comment. The circumstances that by this time players, I don't know what he would have done if he was in that team. You have 1 month to play your first match. You know you have to strengthen the team, and so no, I can't say we are signing non-strategically. So the non-strategic players that are signed came and won against these strategic players. They might say they possess this place, but we won. That's what matters.
All right. Yate. Na ayi aye kan no. Na nansa say saade na ne da player nas no enye talisman bia na yibia eda nas na o say a rubber band for the waist for work rate. Na he has seen it say great players P now use, and then some even use it on their chest. Or say Ronaldo on also a use be at the gym. Na kotoko a use we I say propaganda media area reason.
Lack of knowledge, my people perish. Lack of knowledge. Wait. I am walking a bay.
Who said I got to express?
There be a boy near a Bokino. It's not
who's on the Abubakano. Oh, no, Mr. Kato say a futu so a Benjamin Futu.
Abubakana,
Abubakar. Then I would just say Abubakar.
There because play an anyone.
Yes, and I mean,
channel secretary now play an anyone. The side view cry from the two a day. So how do you tell say?
Make up can be as a big one. And talisman.
When you're working a bit,
Africans and the boot to na boot no your team be on one. If you have 3 or 4 players be national the same boot. It is never true say all the time will be a day different. And your players no one be pet and I am no different but if you are betting me on the foot of play no if you are best 3 players if you are now boot here and now 2 players be there pet but we are no one and a particular boot
I don't know places is already a good dog.
And then I make a question say impo say Toma be done as Sonia. If you grab a free creme, I said Toma. It's when yes, say. And Yamam, you know me and some people and me catch how to folk supporters.
I'm with you.
Omontias as a team, no. A yes and first, no. How to folk me who and run. A year, I say first, no. Now I am in the past and penny for the two guys. A more long term plan for the team. They make a note here. Which Kim Grant is part of the system. Now say crab talk as a man for the castle as a drop for ya. As a Kim Grant here, Pamono. And penny for me can check at here for ne as Obianca so by Kim Grant. Uncle baby, now and no loose no. Obi or her body piano. I mean, that's even though you're loose, by a poor Bianca say, how to focus on ye, how to focus a dear. I have dear, but support the senior to more. Kwaku, omo nyina tete omore. Ejan say match we no kotokofo yisu rough touches. Ye ko train kura nyire ho nye train kotokotoko so omo. Wase wo mo kotokoso omo. Eti e boka kra ne ya kono ya tempiko. Afa da sore ya fa de so bebo.
Enti entina mo
menkasa no a.
Eti so why are you bringing it in?
Next time bia no ye bebo bo a. Sa front and back no. Emwa. Ball no bebo animanimu no a wo me hu decision. What they make another what you say?
Pesa asema yo mo kase. Has team na young team na a team for na fine no right. I say you who so share that experience. Any young because I'm not born boy here park one. The oldest player who has a firm 36 years. And the oldest player who got to confirm 28. The oldest player our has players no 36. And our back to Kwanso the when you power woman on so 28. And our back has a firm the young
to was you the when you power our Kotokono players 20. What's on paper is what we are talking about now. So 28 as the oldest. Our Kotoko camp. And has a book 36. And you're not team in your young.
And dear young
has
20 years. And you're young to confirm 17 years.
The youngest player for Asante Kotoko 17.
Yes.
And you're saying young combo no because of more the youngest team.
They should know the difference between experience and your friends age. Mama time I say team near young. Team near young. As team age men young.
You don't talk for me. Go for the team. Say almost long term plan.
Long term go one more long term.
It is now Casamamiana. Go back for the tape and play.
36 years
Kobe. Hold on. Opening. They say the crack
say and when we say you didn't go there. But supporters no amon cost one amon 30 minutes. Adwuma grant ni panifo years say no. Say a cost sa no a has what that papa bi. Regardless of this lose here you lose and right. Say born cost say ya akoso atoto nyama say ya team house of folk no I want their sword that be. And no pet na him and na me just tell me re. They make us out to say. Aha. It you feel was amaka.
But I mean,
we come.
Jamie, what can I say?
We come into us, and then somehow.
See, them what can I say? Jamie had my Ukwada Koto Sambo across and a Juma Sika.
I was Yami had my good on betting.
And Ukwada Koto El Macho.
No idea.
A year tier 2 no. Omane Ash good.
Oh, okay.
Aha, no Basu Quad, our class post. And see, the team don't call you.
I'm on try. I'm
and I'm going to tell you don't go so what I say. And you know, Jerry, Abasobode, they see a booting Nabasopa.
Sure.
Now, every Yase, Nasa Zunia. Put some in Ashimano. Was Dr. Kwamchi.
Yeah.
Any and penny for the team nearby. What don't was it? Now supporters and rather was your tea commentary, no? And what do not what said that no supporters nobody's was in fact what the supporters need us. No one is here because Asante Beji 2 trophies no. Now for you are near up to for Bakusa as Messi and honor and Gobo Confederation. So you two now. They toss me no do obedi second no ono be call a confederation no enti braka kra
na so ko bi kra ba wi ya kra nchare kwaku the yanya breaking news na menim say how breaking is me hu BBC o am say Mohammed Mosi wa ko wi court
wa court
our collapse court
me ba na metie was BBC we then from BBC, right?
Yeah, from BBC.
And so I heard
what news is our
metie.
Oh, very bad.
At midday. I heard it on BBC.
May his soul rest in peace. Papa no baka at 2013. And I'm my business said your mom penny biom. And now mutabri ni free.
Yes, I was na metie BBC at 12 and I metie so yeah.
And rest in peace. And also I want asema wo no.
Okay.
Kwaku. Kobiston, una also peta me mata no so won kasa.
Jerry Mamenko Black Stars aswe kakra.
Why then?
Say team no gusua ye train. Na no I drop all. Players ni bima
when you sweet.
I won't say be buy no. Rubber kwa grant interviewer in fact as a do na ye di na ho ya Majid Waris.
Okay.
Kromu afọ so mu duobo. Sie yi magidi warriors fo na obebusa na asema na yere na ko busa na asema.
Na he.
Say journalism is say me mo ye. Na why na ko busa na asema? Magidi warriors ro bobo.
Enjo mu se wa ase.
Na bi ye yes mo ja omu ya ko busa na yere asema. Asema na obebusa na asema. Asema ja ka so mo biemi. Na yere na de ba tu dua.
Ena ya busa and don si say no mo ye decide.
Enti o se say.
Ko ho na meti ye.
O se say.
Na uti evra ne nsem bebrebe ne yo ka say sebi or consider Berman because Berman crying in a class. Guess what? Warren do be an area.
And also for Pamaricano.
Oh, just yeah, go
whom you are upon a warren and
mobile. And I just over in the background or no banner any year chain.
Okay, you already do that, but I mean, publicly, how do you say
me tape ni amin kasa wo me nya tape ritia wa asem na o kekane nyina no me entisi so ma me se se so adwo mu a omo ya tia se wa asem ba wa no so ti me
o be so wa sendia.
I want to be very, very careful. It is awesome. No, me nya tape ni bi tie dia meka wasem. E wa ha bo bi tie.
O de mame mo ma. Mame mo interview no man tie.
But this is someone that he's a soccer player. When we go outside, I basically do everything for you. I'm your lawyer, I'm your doctor, I'm your wife, I'm your mother, I'm your child, I'm everything. But you treat me like your family is better than me. I don't wish him bad, but as I'm talking to you today, he's paying for it. He's one of the people that Hon and the coach have told them to come back. And I'm here as a single mother. And I'm a very, very, very young woman, because if I say my age, no one will believe me. I'm very, very young. But the type of responsibility this young guy has placed on my head, I laugh and walk around like I'm the happiest woman in this world. But this is someone that he's a soccer player. When we go outside, I basically do everything for you. I'm your lawyer, I'm your doctor, I'm your wife, I'm your mother, I'm your child, I'm everything. But you treat me like your family is better than me. I don't wish him bad, but as I'm talking to you today, he's paying for it. He's one of the people that Hon and the coach have told them to come back. And I'm here as a single mother. And I'm a very, very, very young woman, because if I say my age, no one will believe me. I'm very, very young. But the type of responsibility this young guy has placed on my head, I laugh and walk around like I'm the happiest woman in this world.
Unim say uni obi o na say montemo wa such things there obvious say e betimi aba me na and for relationship
no the woman keep saying single mother
so there's no way she will say anything better. Some few people pe ena oni obi ni obi mu a otimi kan ho asempa. Majority of Nkrofo relationship mu esan fimu no, they always say bad things about their partners, even though enyeni na ya na ye nokre no, but at the papa ewo onipa no, they will never mention it. They always project the bad side of the person. So me, I'm not surprised. It takes just some few people and omutimi admit mutimi say, oh, this person that I was dating, this person that I was going out with, I mean, he's this, he's that, he's good. Enipa kakra bi pene timi this are dancing. But majority of a relationship musay no, they all say bad things about their exes. It's me, I am not such things. I don't want to comment about them.
We are not diving into it. The best I can say, that's what they can do. Say, and yere dada. And I say, aha.
We ni baby mama. Ni baby mama.
Then people will understand very well.
Ni baby mama.
So what I say? So baby mama, they before say when years ago. The next story is very brave. Last time I said in Kugo Bim, no crown was some more as you can. It will be the baby mama. Somebody can. You find no crowns and say,
oh, 2 years.
Amuja crabby and X.
Be mutimi.
So Muja and pay great when you repay any X. No. They make a thought. Yes, yeah. Quite my dear. So I know someone. Who knows? My reality is any pay 11 penny football. I 11 22. Get me for the 50. Free Ghana and African Cup. It's free now free mono. What do you say? I have punishment to be a money derby. Yeah, and I'm not on the free moon. House of prayer, call your mind. And I'm going to say penalty in rain. man for Nanko Cram and one to him. Because you are so durable. Because you are the crack. Can be going to we need. Majid Warris is not the only penalty. I can cry. Kwaku, Majid Warris was not the only person that cast on breath. Players were bringing a breath here. It's about we national Canadian. The force Enjay. Kwaku, you see a Trimponi Beswa, Ghana about 2 matches. Intimate Fatna and took a born to Atnam. First one, you are sharing. Second one, you are about draw.
First one, you lose 1-0.
You lose 1-0 against Namibia. And we in South Africa last Saturday. And also, your premier. Yentimi Amfago, Anto Matinum, almost to me for being to Atnam. I just see, so who tell me I say Ayarigated Sports, oh papa, so who tell me, say no, quasi, Hundia, and I am here. So squad no, I saw Yen Sacrabia, Yen Sacraya, Trenny be ammonia. Now, Miss Bell to the Zambia to Jam.
Miss Bell.
I on the Chessa, nay, I can say partners, Uncle Egypt, and come on, Mora support no. Or say, wife was only a moment sign, no one to her young umpire, not girlfriends in the moment, uncle.
Sunday,
side checks no, or the Chessa. I have girlfriends in Moran, I was so. I say, wife,
so wife's no call the problems.
Why are you going about the poor camp? I hope not down with school fees. I want to hear to me more born. Sana Miss Bear Eka, but Kwaku, the issue is not set a demand for Manco. Let me tell you, England, the AB. Let me tell you something. Let me give you these 2 scenarios. I am not condemning it, but the
psychologist now.
Miss one psychologist will say, and the papa. Yeah, typical examples. England, the AB, Cap no 1 year. What crowd? I don't know by guess by 1 year. Brazil, so ye be at your cup. That's the 4 days to the finals, and you crowd money free Brazil by every players, no. And I'm going to take up. Then
where I can't man as a
that be what you was a place, maybe one fiancé for one. It's fiancé for the buyer, and a Brazil J Cup. England, so ye be 1 year, and you know, and yet a mother,
and there's a draw,
and I bet the cup. Eti blaster asem no omunya mama 50-50 omunya mama asem no mo woni na cap we so na na kufu
masa time me ade be one cry we shouldn't even waste time on it time one ye timi J cap na ade no na e ma ne me ma no ene ko eti die na there's that time na nya to pakoro na gu ade no
se kra WhatsApp aba so you motivate you abeti mata camp wa no no ofie no ogu atopa ma e WhatsApp video
or track
no track ma na fe ne ebe so ze sika kakra
it is something to put boni and difference when you the same thing.
I go say at France.
Oh, Master Fio. If you are now move breast, so said your father and father. Oh, Jai. Me just Adam about doggy. Oh, Adam want your doggy. Oh, no, Uncle Papa, no, call you say. Oh, help no where because your doggy. That now, now the Polonia. No. People experiment. Oh, you are on share upon Biada, but I didn't know how much me be and pessimism. I mean, so make money for you know those days. No,
the aquabasa. And I was saying, you say you be a blow one.
Tomani BG.
I know about what kind of sure. I call hospital to me cousin here and I can't say I couldn't have friend. What I say, any person.
Now, Obanos with BJ so called.
I couldn't be anything. You. Obiti me na ko duru ha.
Oh dear.
Atwoku no.
Enya na want to say akwara you know. Mami jode sa. Man no voice.
Eti bi twoku obi kwaku.
Eti. Untie za ali no. There o say gene ye ma. Ayi ade no choke ye ayi.
Ai kwaku ayi bi ni ehwe. Ebi ni ehwe.
This is different from
the same thing.
You
color na sasa where brown color keke na where black color.
You Martin. Me pesa me wrong.
Kwambo su dan ko. Professionals ni na wo bi. Na Ghana han bebre wo onim no omusa.
Mame wrong man na de no man na.
Oh try the story.
Na ye. Mami oh dear you know no ka say some crofo ye
kumi menenku kumu menenku akola no je me say na kam go do bi da dem wan kam tamma ne koye Onwa sa kwala na. Menene wo wa was nana. Mpacho o ice cubes for fridge. And ice cubes there. Ice cubes there what they or say what the mama ice cube. The ice cube be ma kwale. No they are shining. No abu boom. Sim nana mpacho 110 mama nyande. Ajwa me 10 yen. Mo from me go me to me. When I said the I me sense and I said and so per se coming. Bloody. Hey.
Grandma for me to be proud. Support. Okay. Ghana Blasters. Support. Ideas now. Colani brutal. As I'm when you're quite in 24 title. Omo eyes ni we take you but for the fellow books ah grass be who from was it me mouse say mo advert man kwara no we do kwaku some advert man kwara me you advert as a 2020 that's what ba yakopon bona na kufu ado na obeto aso wa mo na wo kọ cap we no me na di nkomo so person de so ansana dia me cannot ase man yi person oso cap no mu why not 30 something years ye so bi mu da man nyemu a won so kwaku na so okono bi furo bo no so be papa yi wa president wa be president eti blaster fofo na ni tu na do ani adipa bi e so oro na ko ne ho pa no mu nyi cap imra na na mfa ne nsansom na won kisi entam hwewiem okay why omo ko gyan ko pupu omoto ensan fa mba obi na obi o problem on fa nche no kwaku yankopon no be wuji yan Jesus ne be wuji yan kwa me boa ono ko ye ni be bia so oje yan kwa timi bi ntia ntawantawa e wotim mo mutimi nyi from mu obi an kan na homa mu fine omo ko Egypt en kwaje cap no famre okay
now want the story we on the buy let's say or catch champion for say players now can avoid the social media no more focus on cap because as a more treat concentration no much so we go check go for Instagram now check idea check it to be there and no me sure check it to be Instagram I heard the last time or 20 now Instagram you told me now is the last time you see or told you that minimum general captain asama yan yes now you say friend told say ba ya de obogun o oh told me on the Instagram there and that's a go for me crack can say oh your man say they captains are mama na oh person is every one of person catch because who are the one as what oh as someone on the Instagram there a man to no man I know any fans who say the love is deep me ma who say you that the post with that girls need someone pa na there as a plan or ya na near training into nti jano no asa waja uyebu David jet asa waja esi ya kwaji obi a phone na dey feel no what is here social media ya boy there now be so chese o kada
because mine so there the oya no
o be so chese
say what you say
the day person the day say e dey adwuma ma we e wo so man pani kai say you respecting the authorities of the coach and the captain but this authority we ni I say o the back
of so because of your social media
there is or say on mode you but your person share say players no omunjai omo presence on social media be no omo limiting no omo concentrate on training ni ade indirectly no e come bra because bra there ono especially Instagram so what when so what
unim say someone or that type
That is him. It is a case limited side now. He is the one who is going to be affected more. What I say? Social media na dey jagwa. So why na tie? It is an idea na yakoye because omo camp cry. Sometimes otimi twetwa some funny way be not on the better I mean all the time. It if you case Munya you that normal limited side here.
Now said they don't even come to general captain. I don't go social media. Small captain. What carry general captain say? What my on social media? What carry? I'm supposed to do any about say pro. They don't you. I said what when I buy. I said buy your one who turn best one. I don't people be fool. Oh, and you know just and then I said ma we here. Oh, me on social media. Are you there? On behalf of Samuel John, but I'm sure they year. Sorry, so Mami Chaji.
Gene for Gene units. Okay.
Warrior.
All right.
Warrior.
Okay. You better not for Mubarak na fi
for maturity forum for WhatsApp group you can be ekusia at what I drink a cry. Maturity unyi ya found to and I feel fire for fire so almost on the church you mean Kwaku. And I enjoyed the house of Okwadim Kugu. I am still mourning. Wait, Mr. Bendan Kwana didn't cry by what you say. Ayarigated Sports that hard listener back and I say any way man I say happy birthday Uncle Ernest Eldridge. Diwi so na pena Michiano. I say obetro Elder ELD. Na ode rage atwaso. Eldridge. Okay. The Ernest Eldridge Kwabna Banfo Asiedu. AKA Kwabna Little. Owoye Krita Nursery School. It not just obi akrakuma. I've been a wedding for years. What you say? Etinyabisha na onyo kese. Na em say o say o pese o ni no ye pilot we say and then enkwala sa. Eti from mom and dad. Mr. and Mrs. Asiedu. Almost say enko ema. Nyamisha. All right, your family Mubarak Yakubu no me who said the crew mutie anumre. Hello Yakubu.
Hello Bladeli.
Anumre, I'm from Nigeria.
I just met Chiana dia na and Accra crew mangaza net traffic no crew ni dia. Bladeli say when you talk catch. I have free circle na say ukwa pimu awa car price Bladeli. Every circle onya sane say kakra o prako car price do onya sane kakra na je say muta de go pimu awa ya abeno traffic light na off. And I think the thing I have no traffic light no so uko enim kakra second traffic light na uko car price first second traffic light no and so mu don kakra na mu me free air shop filling station no wa de go piemu e wo air alajo people no so traffic ne chemu na de go piemu e wo alajo people no so at the hospital there no ano di papa and I think so share mbrimpi no bebre na da traffic no kofa traffic no kofa ya joy everybody mo bra jerry dress for my name was Janata, and indeed, I don't want you to travel for dress from 21 Janata, and it's the Bradery. I had a traffic situation based on the Bradery, Medawase.
Yes, that's a pa. Mubarak Yakubu attending Kano. Your first I can see my proud sponsors are Omo Ebwaye and my idea I get sports every war. And Petrosol. They don't want to pay. The patron Petrosol. Omo de bano say yeah show pass a fool on the auto and then when you prepare dia omo number 1 na say what will chrome say fuel stations ni bi wa beto fuel no what you 100 cedis so be check pa na de ebu ama no e be say around 60 cedis na enche bia Petrosol for and the consumer education bi buy on full quantity. It's na omo ewo eye measuring can be ewo mo service station. Two koto fuel now say 1 gallon and we are mark on pepe ye bebu agum nutimi test hwe say o to 1 gallon now say bugu sa de na me hwansa obebu agum net dam 1 gallon pepe o say afi bugu mi kan mu what you say to omo de quantity ne de omo fani agro kra full quantity it means getting your money's worth on fuel bought at the station. So when you are in doubt, then you ask for the 10-liter measuring can. ya yɛtae ɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ nteaseɛ kuru a yɛbugu mu a pɛ no wɔn sɛ ampa ɛdam saa trodo pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛti tɔw fuel no lubricant no a ɛfi petrosol stations ahodoɔ no nationwide why enjoy quality fuel served in full quantity. Remember, full quantity is your right. It saves you money. It saves you time. Petrosol, a delightful experience. You don't want to say so much. As they do on come Tile Fix Cement. Tile Fix Cement. We know and what the totals are to say yes. A 12 banana pie, you know, ye come apart. It is produced by Tylon Ghana Company Limited, certified by Ghana Standards Authority. Each bag be containing high quality wall and floor tile, you know, adhesive. Yeah, suitable for all ceramic and then marble tiles. They are available in all tile and then cement shops in Accra and Tema. The better free transport. So from the factory to any destination within Tema and Accra. So for long-lasting tiling solutions, Tile Fix is the answer. Tile Fix, quality for less. And what the answer will be contacted Tylon Ghana Limited. Ashali Boucher, Accra. Phrase 0244 421 635. Afi 0244 274 363. That's 0244 274 363. As they do on the Inferno Emma Sasso insecticide spray. Pa pa pa. Baby, a chakwana if a kum tontomono and into money. You need to protect yourself and your family from mosquitoes. Any other insects near the idea. Our bra winya headache ne katabia every more. Sasso insecticide spray na be say juma ede amawo. Don't compromise on quality. Insist on Sasso. Tinies Sasso was kumuntonton prekon. There was stores and shops and supermarkets. How do you know? Then fast day do ma Airtel Tigo big time data bundle. Unya be away we. The musa obe yususa. The opes all day be a be sa kopem se wa. Ebe sa trebe. Just say okọ wanim sa.